हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड लीडर्स, मैं हैरी गिल आप सभी लोगों का मोबाइल पे परिवार में स्वागत करता हूं। दोस्तों, आई होप कि आप सभी लोग अपने अपने घर पे सेफ एंड साउंड होंगे। आज दोस्तों इस वीडियो में हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं एक्विडोज ऐप की, दोस्तों जो कि एक लर्निंग ऐप है और मोबाइल पे परिवार के साथ में जुड़कर हम अपने बच्चों की पढ़ाई को और अच्छा बना सकते हैं। दोस्तों कि जैसा आप सभी लोगों ने देखा होगा, लॉकडाउन के दौरान सारे बच्चे जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो अपने अपने घर पे हैं। हमारे बच्चे अच्छे से पढ़ाई नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, अच्छी एजुकेशन नहीं प्राप्त कर पा रहे हैं, कोई भी ट्यूटर दोस्तों उनको पढ़ाने के लिए तैयार नहीं है और सभी लोग अपने अपने घर पे हैं। तो दोस्तों आप लोग अपने घर पे अपने बच्चों को एक अच्छी शिक्षा दे सकते हैं, लेकिन उसके लिए आपको समझना होगा कि एक्विडोज ऐप क्या है, वो किस प्रकार हमारे बच्चों की मदद कर सकता है। तो दोस्तों आप ध्यान दें और अपने बच्चों को एक्विडोज ऐप दिलवाएं और ये आप लोगों के बच्चों के लिए बेस्ट साबित हो सकता है। तो इस वीडियो को पूरा अच्छे से ध्यान से देखें।
To tell you about a product which helps the children in overall brain development. This video communication endeavors to solve all parenting challenges. We share with you reasons for recommending this product. Research has clearly established that the first 10 years of a child's life are the most critical. About 85% of the brain development happens by then. This has a direct correlation with what children are exposed to during those years. In their formative years, they have enormous free time. In fact, they spend double the time at home than they do at school. Parenting faces many challenges today. Here are the type of difficulties you might be facing as a parent. How much quality time do you spend with your child? Are you looking for quality education for your child? Are you finding it difficult to engage your child in useful activities? Do you have to keep an eye on your child every time? Are you worried that your child is watching too much of TV? Are you dealing with bedtime hassles? Then do not worry, we have a solution which helps in converting your challenges into your child's strength. Ekidoos.com is here to help you in engaging your precious kids in useful activities. As parents, we have a responsibility to offer our children useful activities which help in their overall development. Our range extends beyond education to activities that can help sharpen their latent interest. Every day we need to feed our child with vital information and knowledge on daily basis so that it helps in overall brain development. What is Ekidoos? Ekidoos is E for education का एक डोज। Ekidoos.com is e-learning and Kidoos means kids. Ekidoos.com enables you to spend quality time with your child. Which helps in building a good and healthy relationship lifelong. Topics that Ekidoos.com covers. Concepts as per all education boards, CBSE, ICSE or state boards. Excessive practice material in both offline and online versions. You can download colorful sheets and also practice online. Mission of Ekidoos is to bring spark of awesomeness to the children's education. Do you want to engage your child? Follow these 10 steps. Step 1. Education. Subjects we cover are Science, Maths, English, Social Science, Hindi. Step 2. Online Mental Maths. Skill building educational video games for teaching multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Step 3. There are 5 categories of stories. Moral story, Dadi and Nani ki stories, King and Queen stories, courage stories, and life skill stories. Through every story, the child is going to learn 5 important things like static study, drawing, coloring, reading, comprehension and meaning of difficult words. Step 4. Ekidoos Club has many activities, puzzles, learn to draw, brain teasers, crosswords. Step 5. Hall of Fame. Get national levels recognition platform for your child. Step 6. Sharpen your child's general knowledge today. Step 7. Online Slam Book, a place where children can make their online friend list and ask friends to write about them. Step 8. Online Greeting Cards. Send unlimited greetings on every occasion. Step 9. Blogs. Helps kids in improving their writing skills. Step 10. Online and offline report card. Evaluates the performance of children on continuous basis and helps them to improve. With all this, we help your child in building 4 foundations of their primary education skills such as reading, writing, listening, speaking. So if as a parent, you find this content interesting, you can well imagine the impact it will have on enhancing your child's curiosity. Ekidoos.com has come out with a unique combination of content with so many diverse features at a low cost. Do you have a question? Visit our website ekidoos.com. It's awesome to have you aboard.